I want to show you how to adjust your carburetor if it's overflowing. So this is what I'm doing. You can see I'm doing it right now. Want to adjust this carburetor. Is overflowing, and the moment the carburetor is overflowing, the engine will not function well. So you can see. Watch me in case if your own has problem. You can also click in my YouTube at generator doctor. You will see me there. Then you will adjust your carburetor yourself. I want to show you something. Watch me. Watch me and see what I'm doing. I am shorting the carburetor. I want to minimize the overflowing so that it will not overflow much again, and allow the generator to work and function very well. So I'm setting it. Okay, come. Let me show you. Come closer. You see this? You adjust it later. You adjust it. Even if your gen, machine, whatever, your car is sucking or consuming much of fuel, the same thing I did now is what you're going to do there. So you can see. You see now, I overshot it. That thing I did, I showed you, was one of the reasons why the fuel did not float much. So keep on watching me now.